Hello students, welcome to Smart Triangle. Today we are going to learn sound. Look here, I write here all the sounds, letters and their sound. A, letter A. A say O, A say O, A say O. B, B say B, B say B. Letter C, letter C say K, C say K, C say S, C say S. Letter D, D say D, D say D, D say D. Letter E say A, E say A. Letter F, F say F, F say F, F say F. Letter G, G say G, G say G, G say Z, G say Z. Letter H, H say H, H say H. Letter I, letter I, letter I say E, letter I say E. Letter Z, Z say, letter J, J say Z, J say Z, J say Z. Letter K, letter K say K, K say K. Letter L, L say L, L say L. Letter M, letter M, M say M, M say M, M say M. Letter N, letter N say N, letter N say N. Letter O, O say O, O say O. Letter P, P say P, P say P. Letter Q, letter Q say Q, Q say Q. Letter R, R say R, R say R. Letter S, S say S, S say S. Letter T, T say T, T say T. Letter U, U say A, U say U, U say U. Letter V, V say W, V say W. Letter W, W say W, W say W. X, X, X say X, X say X. Y say Y, Y say Y. Z say Z, Z say Z. Students, today we learn the sounds. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.